Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show how you can resolve OTG not working or OTG not connecting issue on Smart 9. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.